Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Just a quick clip on a review of a USDJPY short trade that I took yesterday. And I just go over in detail what my decision-making process was, and should be pretty interesting. In the meantime, if you stick around after the clip, you'll be able to find out more about who we are, what we do, how to find us, or simply go to the bottom of the screen to that website you see right there, algofactory.tech, or zap the QR code. In the meantime, enjoy the clip. And the whole show yesterday, at least the morning show, was about retracements and how to use them, how to use this Fibonacci retracement tool. So go check that out. I even just did a clip based on the tool itself. And be good. I mean, he hit it just right. He wanted to do a retracement of the impulse that I'm about to illustrate with this line. So here's the impulse from here to here. So I use the Fib tool to see how far back it would retrace. And the golden ratio is most of the time where it's going to retrace to and bounce. So here you'll see it. Price came up here and he shorted basically, I'm assuming, you see this 618. I'll go ahead and extend the fib out so you can see that in relation to price. Right. So the green line here, this green, this kind of lighter green, is he shorted basically right here as price approached the 618. He shorted around this area. I'm assuming, I don't know, be good if you're there, go ahead and tell me what value you're in at. But I'm assuming he probably got in around here. And then the plan was to go to, let me see, his value. Let's see what it was. 149,811. He wanted to get out at 149,811. So the plan was to short from, I'm guessing, about here to about here. Okay. And remember, of course, the algos were telling me things are bullish. I didn't think it would make it that far, and surely it didn't. But these red arrows and blue arrows, you can tell where I got in and out, right? And you can see there's a couple of scalps in there that I did, but the main trade that was the more profitable trade that I took went from about here until here. Okay. So as I widen the screen out, I got in during this kind of longer orange bar. These are candle, I should say. These are 30-minute candles, by the way. So each of these candles is 30 minutes worth of price action, right? And then I got out at this, you see this blue arrow right at the bottom here, this little kind of doji right there, the spinning top doji. My algo said get out right here, and surely enough, I was wanting the price to go down, and then the price went ahead and went up. So my exit was about as perfect as it got, and I even said in the chat that I'm already out at 12:26 p.m. is my time. So right at the end of this candle is when I got out, which is pretty much close to the bottom. I mean, I could diagram that on a 5-minute chart easily to show you how precise that was. So, and again, I'm in front of the computer all day. I mean, you can build algos to help you scalp, that can be done. But the original trade that Brad wanted to do was this larger, kind of longer line here. But the trade that I took actually looked like this. I entered here in this trade, in this candle. Let me broaden this out. All right. So I entered right here at this red arrow, somewhere in this candle. My stop loss was above that. I don't know where my stop was, but it must have been above that where it came out to. And then my actual take profit was lower. My take profit was a bit, probably close to where Brad's was. I was aware of this. I was worried about, not worried, but I was kind of concerned that these prior rejections to the upside, where price had come down and then come back up, that was going to create structure that was going to have to do with it might bounce, with price possibly bouncing right here, right? So oops, I think I need to undo what I just did so I don't go blind. Give me 1 second. I move a little fast with the mouse, and then when the screen zoomed in like it is, it's all distorted. So long story short, though, is that this area where that box is, that was a structural area about which I was concerned. And as price moved into profit, hit that area of structure, honestly, the structure was there in the back of my mind. It wasn't the reason I exited. I had an algorithmic reason to exit. My algo said it's time to get out. And look, I got out on this blue arrow. This 5-minute bar right at the bottom here. And then I got this pop up. So I exited kind of in this area right here. So, again, I don't know where my stop was. It might have been a little higher, but I don't think it was. Maybe, I don't know, wherever it was, I had a nice profit, and it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So roughly an hour. It took about an hour to make that. Not bad at all, so I can't complain. So we are live every weekday, 8:30 AM EST, giving out free content. Come check us out on YouTube. Come talk to us. Go over to the website. That's www.algofactory.tech. Again, www.algofactory.tech. And for a limited time promotional offer, we are giving out memberships at $49.99 a month. There's a ton that we're offering over there. Come see what that's about. Also, you can see our Twitter link. All the links are up on YouTube. Come talk to us on social media. See us on the live YouTube videos. We hope to see you soon.